Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TaxSlayer for business expense tracking. To get started with configuring TaxSlayer for business expense tracking, first, open your TaxSlayer account. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the business section in the main dashboard. Click on Business Expense Tracker to access the expense management tools. On the Business Expense Tracker page, select Add New Expense. A form will appear where you can enter details about your expense. Begin by choosing the appropriate category for your expense from the drop-down menu. Next, fill in the date of the expense using the calendar tool. Enter the amount of the expense in the designated field. You can include a brief description of the expense to provide context. If applicable, upload any receipts by clicking the Upload Receipt button. After entering all required information, review the details for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click the Save button to record the expense. To view and manage all your recorded expenses, return to the Business Expense Tracker page. From this page, you can filter expenses by date or category for easier navigation. If you need to edit any entries, click on the specific expense from the list. Make the necessary changes, then remember to save those adjustments. For ongoing tracking, set a routine to enter expenses regularly. You can also run reports to analyze your expenses by clicking on the Reports feature. Choose the report type you would like to generate to get insights into your spending. Exporting reports in various formats can be done by clicking the Export button. This way, you can keep your records organized and accessible. With these steps, you are now equipped to effectively track your business expenses using TaxSlayer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.